Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Realtek 8832AU Wi-Fi adapter not working on Windows PC. First, restart your computer and check if the adapter starts working. If it still doesn't work, open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. Find the Realtek 8832AU adapter. I don't have this network adapter on my system, so I will demonstrate the steps using a different network adapter. Now right-click the adapter and select Update Driver. Then click Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and try another available driver. You can also open Properties, Driver tab, and try Rollback Driver. Next, try disabling and enabling the adapter from Device Manager. If the problem continues, uninstall the network adapter. Restart your PC, and Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. You can also run the system repair commands from the video description using Command Prompt as administrator. Then restart your computer. If it still doesn't work, perform a network reset from Settings. Network and Internet. Advanced Network Settings. Network Reset. Click on Reset Now and install the latest Windows updates. One of these steps should fix the problem. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.